Hello my guys, thank you for subscribing my channel and watching my videos online. Again I have come before you for your benefit and solution of numerical problems. We are doing the in-text question of page number 16 on the chapter electricity. Now understand deeply how a numerical uh, can be solved. Here, fourth question is to be done. Question क्या है? How can three registers of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm be connected to give total resistance of 4 ohm and 1 ohm? Means कैसे हम तीन रेजिस्टर्स जो हैं 2 ओम 3 ओम और 6 ओम के वैल्यू के जो रेजिस्टर्स है कैसे हम कनेक्ट करें। कनेक्शन का दो ही तरीका, एक पैरेलल एक सीरीज। कैसे कनेक्ट करें कि हमारा टोटल यानी इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस 4 ओम और दूसरे केस में 1 ओम हो जाए। कैसे अरेंज किया? अरेंजमेंट इज सिंपल। तो नाउ कम टू दी here is the solution diagram of this problem for obtaining Re is equal to 4 ohm total resistance for R1, R2 and R3. Here we see that 3 and 6 ohm resistors are taken in parallel while 2 ohm resistor is in series with these two parallel resistors. This is the arrangement. Let us see how 4 ohm total resistance can be obtained. This is to find out. Only you have to show the final यानी total resistance 4 ohm. This is to be proved. इसे prove करना. तो how can we have taken R2 and R3 3 ohm and 6 ohm resistors in parallel. Parallel में लिया गया. तो पैरेलल में इसका इक्विवेलेंट टोटल रेजिस्टेंस 1 by R is equal to 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 क्योंकि R2 R3 का वैल्यू है 3 ohm and 6 ohm. Now it is 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. LCM is 6 and 3 divide 6 by 2 hence it is 2 and 6 is divided by 6 and we get 1. 1 into 1 1. So 3 by 6 after cancellation we get 1 by 2. 1 by R is equal to 1 by 2 hence on reversing we get equivalent any total resistance for these two parallel resistance 2 ohm. Now this 2 ohm finally the equivalent resistance of this 2 is 2 ohm and already in series with this 2 ohm hence this is R and this is R1 2 ohm previous which is in series with this. Now the R1 and R in series. If it is calculated 2 ohm, it is already 2 ohm, both are in series. Therefore, both the resistance must be added. So Re is equal to R1 plus R. R1 is this, and R is the total resistance of these two resistors, which is taken in parallel. So we add this 2 and 2 4 ohm. So we get total resistance 4 ohm. By combining this way, hence we will write at last two parallel resistance of 3 ohm and 6 ohm in series with 2 ohm resistor. This is the definition. Means 3 और 6 ohm को पैरेलल में और उसको 2 ohm के साथ सीरीज में कर देते हैं तो हमारा जो है टोटल रेजिस्टेंस 4 ohm है. Now let us see how can we obtain total resistance Re यानी equivalent 1 ohm. How will you arrange the three resistors? Very simple way. Here it is diagram given. All the three resistors 2 ohm and 3 ohm or 6 ohm or R1, R2, R3 are grouped in parallel, connected in parallel. When you connect in parallel, this is formula is 1 by Re is equal to 1 by 2 or 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. After adding you will get 6 by 6 after cancellation 1. So on reversing Re is equal to 1. This means how How have you got 1 ohm total resistance? By connecting all the 3 resistors in parallel. So this was all about this numerical solution. Let us see in the next page. Now come to the next problem of page number 216. Here fifth problem is to be did. What is case 1a, highest and the lowest resistance that can be secured by combination of 4 coils of resistance 4 ohm, 8 ohm, 12 ohm and 24 ohm. हिंदी में ये हुआ कि हमको निकालना है कि हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा और लोएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा। रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा जब हम कंबाइन करते हैं 4 कॉइल्स जिसका रेजिस्टेंस है 4 ओम, 8 ओम एंड 12 ओम एंड 24 ओम। 4 रेजिस्टेंस दिए हुए हैं, इसका वैल्यू जितना दिया उसको उससे हम कैसे हाईएस्ट और लोएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस टोटल रेजिस्टेंस काउंट करेंगे। वी हैव इन theory I have learned that in series we add all resistance to get total resistance. So in series we get highest total resistance which is greater than all the individual resistance. So it is clear that the highest resistance can be obtained in series. R is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 and R4. Add all the resistance, you will get 48 ohm resistor. 8 4 12 24 48 ohm. The highest resistance in series will be 48 ohm. Now we have to count the lowest. We have told you in the theory classes that the lowest resistance is obtained, total resistance obtained in parallel combination of resistances. So these 4 resistances will be taken in parallel, then you will get the minimum or lowest value of resistance, total resistance Re. That is 1 by Re is equal to 1 by R1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 plus 1 by R4. It means putting the values 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 24. Find the LCM of all the denominator, you will get 24. Now divide the LCM by the denominator, you will get 8 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. By adding all these above, 8 3 11 to 13 1 40. No, 6 plus 3. Here miscalculated. Here is value 6 and 3 and 2 and 1. Then you will get 6 2, 6 3, 9 2, 11 1 12. 12 by 24 and after cancellation you will get 1 by 2, 1 by Re, and on dividing you will get Re is equal to 2 ohm. This is the lowest value of total resistance in parallel, and highest is already done. This is all about of this problem. We will see the in-text question of other pages in the next video. Till then, subscribe my video. Please to be continued on line as much as possible and share my videos to others, because I am helping you and you are also entitled to help me. Thank you.